and welcome to another edition of Seiler Design Solutions Tips and Tricks. This is Rob Windsor. Today we're going to talk about how to adjust the size of your cursor pickbox in AutoCAD. The cursor changes based on what you're doing. When AutoCAD is first loaded, these are quite small. So let's adjust them to suit our needs. While AutoCAD has commands for these, let's open the Options dialog by going to the Application menu and clicking the Options button. The first two boxes that I want to talk about can be adjusted on the Selection tab. At the top you will find a slider bar for the pickbox size and the grip size. Click and drag the slider bar to adjust the box in the preview window to your desired size. The pick box is the small white box within the crosshair. The crosshair with this box is what you typically see as you work in AutoCAD. You can even adjust the length of the lines in the crosshair. If a command is activated, the crosshair is removed and all you see is that pick box. The AutoCAD command here is pick box and its range is from 0 to 50. The grip is the blue box that shows up after selecting an object. They typically show up at endpoints, midpoints, quadrants, centers. The AutoCAD command here is grip size, and its range is 1 to 255. The other two boxes are found halfway down on the Drafting tab. You can adjust these in the same way. Click and drag the slider bar. There is the Auto Snap Marker, which is the green box that shows up when the cursor snaps onto an object, snap point. This will change shape based on the type of object snap you are snapping to. For example, an endpoint is a square and a midpoint is a triangle. The AutoCAD command here is Auto Snap, and its range is from 0 to 63. The Aperture, it's an invisible box around the pickbox cursor. This is used for the object snap. The snap engages once a point passes inside the invisible box. The smaller the box, the closer you have to get to a point for it to snap. The AutoCAD command here is Aperture, and its range is from 1 to 50. I mentioned before that the crosshair can be adjusted as well, so let's go to the Display tab. A little over halfway down, on the right side is a slider bar for adjusting the lines of the crosshair. If you drag it all the way to the right, the lines will cross the entire window. Now with this knowledge, you can go back and adjust these settings until they are just right. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for your time and have a great day.